Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to continue from the in the previous video we actually talked about the tools. I showed the interface, your work page, your drafting page, which is this here, and the tools you would necessarily need for preparing or setting up a basic structure. Last time we talked about grid lines, some of the components, doors, windows, how to edit the walls. So we are going to make a basic floor plan today. A basic floor plan. So first thing first, we'll go and set our levels. Remember we did the levels last time, but we want to arrange it as we need it in this project. So go to our level, click on south elevation, you edit your levels. This is I need my DPC level to be 600 above ground level. So we'll just double click on it and edit it. 600. Then this guy is supposed to be around 3,600 actually. 3,600. Yeah. Since we are using just, okay, we could leave this level 4 here, but we don't necessarily need it. So we'll go back to level 1. Okay, delete this and start again. Delete the grid lines. We want to make a basic plan, one bedroom, click on walls or wall actually. Where remember in the previous episode we set our wall to 250, 225. That's 9 inches block. So that's what we'll do. We'll put up a wall. First of all, let's change this to where we want the wall to the top of the wall. This is the height. It's showing unconnected here, so we'll click it. This is DPC. No, that's not what we want. We want it above head level or headroom level. So here we go. Let's say 5,170. 5,170. Then we'll take a 6,350 here. Well, I don't really, this measurement is not needed at the moment, but for the sake of teaching, when you want to do yours, you can make significant changes. 3670, 63675. Why I'm doing this is because I have included the sizes of the blocks and put them into consideration. We said we wanted to make one bedroom. There's a walkway. Oh, sorry, you can't see it around this perimeter of the building. So we'll just do it this way. Let's click on this button. Where is the offset button? Want to recreate another wall, but not with this. 1,225. Okay, good. So click on offset and choose the number we need. 13. Click on this trim and extend button. You are interfering in my video now. Then we'll go back. Click on this. By the way, we'll change the walls we need to use now to 150 for interior walls. This will be 1,200, or better still, we could just draw so we can get the midpoint of this wall. Yep, 1.5 is what we want actually. I'm going to, yeah, 1.5. Let's check. That's not correct. We'll just work with this at whatever we've got. Make sure we center it. This will be our kitchen. This will be our toilet. So remember we said this is a walkway, so we'll create an opening. Click on this wall here at the far right. Click on the wall, then draw. That's an opening. Oh, sorry, we need that opening in level 2, not level 1. So delete it first. Let's check this 3D level. This is it. So go to level 2 where we want to make some changes. Click on wall. Firstly, let's open this part up. One. Repeat the same thing here. Come back and make change to that. So make sure to trim this guy. Where is it? Yeah, this is the align tool. Done that. Same thing here. This is the align tool. Unjoin. No, let's not unjoin. Let's not do that. Let's do this. Okay, that's fine. Same thing here. Then we'll make our changes to this guy. All we want to do here, we want this place, the distance between here and this guy to be around, let's say 1,450 or 1,5 at most. Okay, we did go to the 3D view, and this is what we have. There's a walkway around the house, as we would say. So we'll come back here firstly and make some improvements. Firstly, we add a roof, a floor. Yeah, we'll add a floor. But we don't want the floor to be all through the walkway at this height. So we'll make some changes here. We need a step in this part of the walkway. So we'll just make it here, here, trim and extend. And we are good. We are good. Let's go to the southern elevation once. Remember we said we wanted a staircase here. So this guy, yep, we'll join all of this together. Good. Two, three, yep. Join all the walls together. And we're back to this. We said we needed a staircase. So click on stair. Add. This is 600. Remember this is 600. So choose a precast or monolithic staircase. Priorities, please. One, two, three. Okay. Yep. So level two. Exactly. Let's take a look at it and see where it's facing. Exactly, that's what we want. But we'll be back. Where was I want to make edits to it. Exactly. We could also decide not to do this here. We could just at the same time make sure we have what was it called? We could create component here, but we don't want to do that. That's that with that for now. Let's add a door. 900. Did we import any door? No. Let's import a door. That will make sense. So load the family, that will make sense. vision light. Single vision. Okay, exactly. So we'll toggle this and make edits to it. We'll duplicate this because of the size. Okay, it's almost the same size. This is 900. And we'll leave this. Some persons use their door at 2000. We are using 2100. So we'll put this here. Also, we need a window. Not the window. This is not the size I want. Let's okay. Let's edit it. Width 700 or 750. Let's say 700. Then the height of it at best should not be more than 700 also. So put that here. Yeah. Okay. We need doors for both of it. Let's make an edit. 750 is what we want. The width 75. Yep. And you want it. Okay. You press on space to flip the door. Same thing here. We're not saving now. Now let's check it. Check our progress so far. We'll delete this railing. We only need that one side. This guy here. Yeah. Let's edit it and make it meet the stairs. Let's go to the side and edit this one also. This guy will be deleted. We'll put another railing just up top here. Exactly, this is what we want. So let's go to ceiling. Remember we said we were going to complete this taking more time. Ceiling. Just click on ceiling, automatic ceiling. This sketch. Now let's look at it in 3D. We've sealed it up. You can place a camera in it and see what we've done. Go to view. We'll place two cameras. Place one here and see. Let's give it a shade of color. That's what it looks like. We could also toggle this camera and move it to where we want. So for this guy, we want to just wrap it up and make a roof on it. Let's go to level. Where is it? Let's delete most of these things. Level 3. Click on underlay. No, underlay of level 2 actually. Yeah. So you click on your roof. You give your roof an overhang of 600 millimeter. 600 millimeter. One, three, four. Join all together. And we've got a roof. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Then let's edit the roof. Want it to be thin. Let's say 30. 10 at most is what we want, yeah. Yeah, 10. In the next video, we'll talk about extrude parapet, how to divide the walls, probably painting the walls and all other things. But for now, thank you. See you on the next one.